Well, if you're going to take a tour, that's the way to take a tour, I guess. Luxury sunset limousines. Boy, it's busy out here. Everybody's looking at the wild donkeys over there running around. That's the way to go out here, that's for sure, I guess. I guess they know what they're doing. Let's check this out, guys. Now, this is where you'd see on TV people getting too close to the animals and stuff like this. There's, see, over in the road over there, there's a horse or something over there in the road, too. But this is where people would get too close. And they would, you know, everybody's seen those things. Look at everybody taking pictures, guys. All right, let's get closer. Ah. I know horses and donkeys. Donkeys are mean. Donkeys are mean animals. They'll bite you real easy. I've gotten knocked out with cows and all kinds of stuff. I'm not about to be getting no close to. Let's see if any of these guys do, though. I wonder if any of these guys are Karens here, you know. Let's not let them get in front of us like that. Oh, sorry, man. See, like that lady right there, she could be surrounded real quick and doesn't even know it. This white one right here in front of us, guys, he already tried to bite that one person. It's crazy. Everybody's looking at him though. Guy taking my picture. He walked by. He's the daring one there. That's different. Real different, isn't it? How it's made out of those rocks like that. Around the... That's cool how they did that, you know? I wonder what it looks like It's got a cellar down in there and stuff. Cool. It's all made of, how did this stuff? Oh, this is cool. Look at this, guys. Just check it out, guys. Wow. Solid. Cool. Very cool. Well, they got another place over here. Not sure what all this is, but this place when we were up here yesterday was full. All kinds of people were here. Oh, rabbit over there. Want to see the rabbit, boy? See the rabbit over there, Milo? Look. Look, see that? See that over there? Oh, he's looking. See that rabbit, boy? Have you seen? Oh, that's a. He took off. All right, guys. We'll see what we can find out here. Headed over to the Needles. So Milo and me, we out of here.